In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to add a single-line text field in Contact Form 7. You can see I've already created a contact form using the Contact Form 7 plugin. To make one, you can simply install and activate the Contact Form 7 plugin and make a contact form as per your need. I've already installed and activated the same, but if you need help installing and configuring the Contact Form 7 plugin, then we have a video explaining that as well. I'll link the video in the description, or you can also click on the eye icon on the top right corner of the screen to view the video. To add a single-line text field, let's configure the plugin by hovering over Contact and clicking on Contact Forms. You can see this form here. Simply click on the Edit link over here. This is the Form Builder area. You can simply remove a field like this if not needed further. Let me add the label name to the field first. Once done, from the list of various tags available here, click on the Text tag. In the pop-up, you can make this field mandatory by checking the required checkbox. You can edit the field name here as well. Here you can enter the default value as well and make it the placeholder text too. Once everything's in place, simply click on the Insert tag. Once done, let's save the form and check the form live. Let's refresh the page. And you can see the single-line text field in action here. And this was all about how to add a single-line text field in Contact Form 7. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. Until next time.